Okay, so today I have some post-it notes, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane out of them and upgrade it too. So, first we have the post-it note, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half, just like that, and then just make it into a regular airplane. Obviously I can tell that this one's already gonna fail. And then okay, so then in case if you don't know, I'm just making a regular dart, and then you fold the wings down. With this that I'm gonna do, you have to try and make it so the crease, instead of going straight across, it's gonna try and go down a bit. It'll keep it in the air, increasing its distance for a little bit. Okay, so here's our airplane, just a regular airplane. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how far it goes, and then I'll show you how to improve it. Okay, so here we I'll take it over. Second. Okay, so I have the paper airplane here. I'm going to throw it, and it went over there. So if we go so it went about here. So it's not that far. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Okay, and then now how to upgrade it. First, you're going to take the right wing, or the left wing, I mean. So if it's like this, you want this wing right here. Then you're going to fold it over, and you're going to try and get it to, bend into a circle. So then now it'll look like this. Then you want to take the opposite wing and fold it downward. It'll be kind of tricky. Okay, so then that kind of failed. Okay, there. So then from the back it'll look like this, and then so let me take the back out again. Okay, and then now let's see how far it goes. Before it went to the gray thing. So, as you can see, it increased its distance by a lot, because it's down here. Yep. And before, it was over there, just about. So, let's go back here, and you will back into the case, and there you go. That's how to improve a paper airplane made out of post-it notes. I tried it out with regular paper and it didn't really work. It doesn't work as good with Post-it notes. It works the best. So that's my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.